Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming Windows 11 build and that your PC is 64-bit. This avoids compatibility failures. Next, download a reputable live wallpaper engine and run the installer as administrator so files deploy correctly. Once done, make sure Smart Screen or antivirus prompts are resolved by allowing the app to run. Without admin rights, the engine cannot register background services. This sequence gets the software ready to host animated wallpapers and prevents permission-related crashes later. Open the engine and import or add the live wallpaper you want. You can drag files or choose from built-in galleries. Then tune playback and performance settings, lower frame rates or disable audio to save resources, and enable Start with Windows if you want persistence. For multi-monitor use, assign a wallpaper per display and set scaling or crop options so images align. Once configured, the engine renders in the desktop layer, so you'll see the wallpaper without interfering with icons or full-screen apps. Finish by confirming the engine launches at login and the wallpaper persists across reboots. This ensures your setup is complete. If you encounter a black or static screen, restart Explorer. EXE or the wallpaper engine first, and then reboot if needed. Make sure GPU drivers are current, and if instability continues, toggle compatibility or run the engine as administrator. These steps resolve most rendering and permission issues. Finally, keep performance settings balanced to avoid high CPU or battery drain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.